They always said it was we women racing against the clock, that our eggs are running out, our time is ticking, that our body won't wait forever for us. The biological clock is ticking to menopause. That was the anthem we all grew up hearing. But a quiet truth has been sitting in the back row of science, clearing the throat, waiting to be heard. It all started as a suspicion decades ago. In the mid 90s, a brilliant geneticist named James F. Crow began whispering a possibility no one really wanted to hear. Maybe it isn't only women whose biology bring risks with time. Maybe men, despite producing sperm all their lives, carry a hidden clock too. For years, Crow's idea lived in scientific cycle, not headline. Doctors kept warning women about their eggs while men joked about becoming father at 70 like it was a badge of honor. But then came 2012, when a team in Iceland led by Kari Stephenson at Decode Genetics cracked the silence using modern DNA analysis. Their study published in Nature confirmed what Crow has hinted at all along. As men age, their sperm carries more genetic mutation and those mutations get passed to their children. And not a little more, a lot more. A 20 years old father passes along about 25 new mutations to his child. A 40 years old, roughly 65. These aren't inherited from grandfather or grandmother. They are fresh type created during sperm production. And here is the catch. Sperm cells are produced constantly and every round of DNA copying is a chance for error. The older the man, the more rounds his body has played. While women in contrast are born with all their eggs, no new copies, no endless reprint. Most of these mutations are harmless passenger, but some aren't. Some are linked to conditions like autism, schizophrenia, rare congenital disorder, and developmental challenges. Think of conditions like achondroplasia. Scientists have tied them directly to age-related mutation in sperms. Lifestyles can add fuel to the fire too, such as smoking, stress, dosing, but age is still the main driver. So suddenly, the storyline shifts. It is not just we women and our clock. It is now the overlooked truth that older men are more likely to pass along sperm with genetic baggages. Yes, technically, a man can have a child until his last breath. But should he? That question hits differently when science walks into the room with a folder of DNA receipts. So please, ladies, maybe the pressure has been pointing the wrong direction all along. Maybe it is not just you wasting time. Maybe the men need to check their clock too, or start browsing the freezer section for younger contribution because the real headline is this: family planning is no longer just about our age. Carrie Stephenson 2012 discovery proved James Crow right. His sperm is aging too, and it is leaving fingerprints on his next generation. Children born to a man in his early age are less likely to carry genetic disorder. And now that we know, pretending not to would be the real mutation. Thank you so much for watching. Follow up for more inspiring and juicy stories. Thank you.